Hello, in this video you will see young students improve their understanding of letters and sounds through writing activities. During this process, beginning readers use their phonics knowledge in meaningful, authentic ways. The video is one in a series of early literacy instructional videos produced by the Virginia Department of Education, the PALS office at the University of Virginia's Curry School of Education, and Prince William County Public Schools. Writing requires children to segment their speech into sounds and match sounds to letters. The teacher initially models this process by stretching out the sounds and guiding the sound to letter match. Let's watch Mrs. Ellis as she helps her students write words and sentences.
Now listen very closely as I say the sentence. I think my mom will let me get a pet.
I think my mom will let me get a pet.
Let's try it one more time. I think my mom will let me get a pet. Now that's a really long sentence. So how about we get our fingers ready and we count how many words are in that sentence. Ready?
I think my mom will let me get a pet.
How many words were in that sentence?
10.
10. That's the longest one we've done. Now the next thing we're going to do, I want you to take out your yellow paper and we're going to draw our lines for each word in the sentence. Go ahead and write your name at the top so that way I'll know whose paper it is. Okay, everybody ready? One line for each word. So how many lines are we going to have total?
10.
10. Okay, let's say it and draw our lines. I
think mom will let me get a pet.
Now we're going to try to fill in the words for our lines. Okay, I think. Let's stretch out the word think. Think. What letters make the
TH.
Let's check to see if we're right. Let's check our soundboards. Pull out your red soundboard. Let's check to see if it is TH. Let's see. Let's look at our red one. Is it TH? Because what picture is next to TH? Thumb. Think. Do they make the same sound? So are we right?
Yes.
We're right. Okay, so we have I think. Let's stretch out. Think again. Think. Okay, let's write the rest of it. I think my mom will let me get a pet. Let me get a pet. Do you hear any rhyming words in that? Let me get. Okay, you say pet. What else? Let. I think my mom will let me get a pet. What rhymes there?
Pet, let, get.
Pet, let, and get. So they all are spelled
Correct.
Let me see. Everybody has that short E there. Good job. I think my mom will let me get a pet. Oh, and you know what I noticed? I noticed that Shania has something at the end of her sentence. Now everybody has it at the end. What was it that she had? A period. You know what else I noticed? Everybody started their sentence with what? With a capital letter.
You've just seen an instructional video demonstrating writing for sounds. Writing activities, teacher support, and goals for students should be differentiated based on student knowledge. For more information on these and other early literacy activities, please visit the PALS website at pals.virginia.edu.